Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, getting near the end of my Las Vegas videos, scraping the bottom of the barrel here. I got a couple left. Good thing I'm heading off to Las Vegas in 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm going to come back with a whole bunch of fresh videos from Las Vegas, some new stuff, and also some new formats for the channel, which you're going to see when I start uploading those new Vegas videos. I've been experimenting in Atlantic City. Some of the stuff I like, some of them I don't. I'm going to try some of this stuff in Las Vegas too and see what happens. Anyway, you might notice the difference, you may not, but stay tuned for more fresh videos coming from Las Vegas. But again, today we are visiting the park. The park is a nice retreat from the Las Vegas Strip. It goes in far enough, or I should say takes you off the Strip far enough that you get a little bit of peace and quiet. There's lots of tables and trees and things back here so that you can relax. It's my second favorite retreat, the first of course being, if you watch my other videos, the Flamingo Habitat, which is my #1 spot to go to when I need a little bit of peace and quiet from the craziness of the Las Vegas Strip. But if it's peace and quiet you're looking for, do keep in mind if there's a hockey game, the Golden Knights at the T-Mobile Arena, or some kind of a concert going on, or some event back there at the T-Mobile Arena, this place gets kind of crazy itself. While I was editing this video, it reminded me how beautiful this evening was. I recorded it around dusk, which I like doing because if the video goes long enough, you're taken from the daytime into the nighttime, and that's what's going to happen with this video. Again, this video is about 6 months old. I'm getting near the end of my Las Vegas videos, but I really enjoyed the sights and sounds of the park while I was editing it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So what do you say we take a nice, relaxing, peaceful walk through the park? Shall we? I think the only thing you're going to see outdated here is the top round, which hasn't opened yet while I was recording this. I believe it is opened. It opened sometime this past summer. And it's a roast beef place. They also serve chicken, kind of comparable, I would say, to Roy Rogers. I don't know if you guys have Roy Rogers all across the country. Let me know in the comments below. But we do have them here on the East Coast. But I do know the place is open now, and I'm dying to try it out. And of course, I'll bring you guys along with me. But I think that's the only difference you're going to see here on this nice stroll we take through the park today.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, Restaurants of the Hotels and Casinos #2. Congratulations, Robert. Robert was also the first to type the word first, F-I-R-S-T, in his comment on that video, so congratulations on that, Robert. You got a little heart emoji next to your name. And others have typed in first as well, so congratulations, guys. When you type in the word first in the comment section, you do get a little heart emoji next to your comment. And again, that's not the first to comment, it's the first to type the word first. By the way, if you didn't know, the park is run by MGM Resorts. They actually own the properties to the left and right of us, the New York Hotel and Casino, as well as the Park MGM Hotel and Casino. And from the MGM Resorts website, they state that the park is an immersive outdoor destination for dining and entertainment. An eclectic blend of restaurants, bars, and entertainment makes this the pulse that combines New York, Park MGM Las Vegas, and the T-Mobile Arena into one community. The statue of the dancing woman we just passed, and we'll pass her again shortly, is called Bliss Dance, and it's a breathtaking 40-foot tall sculpture of a dancing woman celebrating the strength of women. The structure and scale of Bliss Dance was inspired by artist Marco Cochran's first experience at Burning Man, an annual arts and culture event in Nevada's Black Rock Desert, where Bliss Dance later debuted. After Burning Man, Bliss Dance resided on San Francisco's Treasure Island as a public display before being refurbished and returned to the desert as the centerpiece of the park's natural landscaping and Nevada-inspired design. And there she is. Apparently she likes to travel. Lots of stuff coming to the T-Mobile Arena. Of course, it's hockey season, so the Vegas Knights are here almost every other night. And this place is mobbed, I'll tell you what. And if you go into like the New York or the Park MGM, you'll find nothing but Golden Knight hockey jerseys being worn by everyone at the bars. They really do attract a crowd. And some entertainment coming to T-Mobile Arena include Post Malone, George Strait. UFC is doing some competition here, as well as Depeche Mode. This steakhouse is called Nusret, and according to the website, you will taste an exquisite menu. You'll be overwhelmed with fantastic smells. Everything you touch will be enchanting. Everything you hear will be fascinating. You will see glorious people, delightful presentations, and incredible shows. Be entertained, amused, and pampered. Experience luxury dining like never before. All your senses will be satisfied. Wow, that sounds a little overwhelming. I'd like to check it out someday.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
This is Beer House, a fresh take on a classic beer hall where an artfully curated menu ensures both beer nerds and casual drinkers will find their favorites. The kitchen rounds out the experience with savory sausages and sandwiches and snacks, all made with hormone-free meat and locally sourced produce. Grab a cold brew, play some bar games, and make some friends on the outdoor patio. On the way in, we passed the Hello Kitty Cafe, a favorite of subscriber Deborah Camacho, and we're going to pass it again on the way out. The website says, come visit the Hello Kitty Pop-Up Cafe and enjoy a super cute collection of delicious treats and collectible merchandise exclusive to this location. Enjoy crafted beverages from coffee and espresso drinks to an array of lemonades, iced teas, and milk teas. A range of delectable sweets include Hello Kitty cakes, cookies, croissants, donuts, and ice cream. You can also pick up some Hello Kitty Cafe mugs, t-shirts, baseball caps, keychains, and tote bags. Just stop by and say hello. Speaking of mugs, t-shirts, baseball caps, and tote bags, you can find those in the New York store as well. A link to the New York store is in the description below. You can also click that thanks button right underneath the video to help support the New York channel. Thank you guys for everything you do. I appreciate the support. And here we have the Shake Shack. New York City's famous burger stand is so close to the park you can taste it. This critically acclaimed modern-day roadside burger stand, known for its 100% all-natural Angus beef burgers, hot dogs, crinkle-cut fries, frozen custard, shakes, beer, wine, and more. Thanks for watching, guys. Lots of new stuff coming from Las Vegas very shortly.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.